Profit Canvas is a software that helps you in your online marketing and affiliate marketing efforts. The software is a multifunctional cloud-based software and it also comes with video trainings inside the members area. Profit Canvas creates all the pages you need for your marketing campaigns. Sales pages, bonus pages, webinar replay pages, affiliate promo pages, squeeze pages, download pages, etc. It includes a pop-up builder section and another where you can customize any videos with call to actions, buy now buttons, and opt-in forms to build your email lists. So it is a multifunctional software that helps you in many phases of your marketing campaigns. The page builder in the pop-up builder section comes with a lot of done-for-you templates, so you only need to edit and modify these templates how you want, or you can start building it from scratch if you want. In general, I think it is a very useful solution for all marketers who want to sell anything online, building a list, doing affiliate marketing, etc. It also has a webinar section. I don't tried this because I never use webinars, so I don't know how it works. In the training section you can learn how to use the software properly, but also has a section where you can learn the basics of affiliate marketing, about product creation and basic SEO steps. These are good for newbie internet marketers.